Subject Physical Education for Class 12th, Unit 7, Physiology and Injuries in Sports. In this unit, we will carry on the topic soft tissue injuries. In this topic, we will discuss about the muscle injuries today, and in muscle injuries, we will discuss on strain. Now, let us try to understand what is strain. Strain is known as just muscle pull. It is the injury of muscles which is caused by the overstress and overstretch of muscles or tendons or due to the violent pull. And we have to say that is due to the violent stretch of muscles beyond its normal limit. It means what is the normal limit of the muscles. We have to go beyond it, then strain can be possible. In strain injuries, muscle fiber get damaged or ruptured. It causes acute pain around the affected part, loss of function of injured muscles, local inflammation and swelling over the affected part, and mid strain is known as the cramp. It means mid stage of the strain is known as cramp. It means the early stage of the strain is called the cramp also. It can be prevented by performing proper warming up and avoid jerky movements or actions while exercise or strenuous exercises. So strain is just come in our muscles through the jerky movements, and we will not performing our exercise without warming up. So it is called the muscle pull while the strenuous exercises or incentive exercises. Now we have to try to understand what is the first state which is given due to the strain and how we have to manage the strain. The treatment and management steps of strain injury is referred to RICER. RICER means rest, ice, compression, elevation and rehabilitation. So this is the very important formula through that we can manage the strain. And now rest to player and completely restricted the movement of affected part where there is strain. Immediately apply cold compression or ice over the affected part to stop internal bleeding, because in that case the internal bleeding can be possible in the muscles. The blood has not come out from the muscles. So repeated this process for several times after some intervals. Next one, the compression bandage should be applied over the affected part to reduce the swelling. If the swelling is there, then we have to use the crab bandage also for the relaxation or to give the rest to the affected part. Next one, elevate the affected part above the level of heart by split or support. Then after 2 days apply inflammatory cream to reduce swelling, just like Move etc. And then reduce swelling and give gentle massage to the muscles, or perform contrast bath, hot and cold bath also, to reduce swelling. It means to reduce the swelling of the strain or affected part of the strain, we should give the ice or with hot water bath just after some interval. And now next one is, after treatment is over, the complete recovery is gained by rehabilitation. Rehabilitation means referral for appropriate medical treatment, proper rehabilitation, exercise or physiotherapy to regain strength of the muscles. This should be performed in progressive manner, because through this manner the muscles can gain again strength as usually and reduce strain. Then after, it is also referred to the price, PRICE, pricer, where the P is stand for the perception or protection, R for rest, I for eyes, C for compression, E for elevation, and R for rehabilitation. So through these manners, just like the price or riser also, we can manage, or we can give the first aid to the affected part which is injured by the strain, and we have to manage the strain very easily. Thank you.